guys, we're going to repair an egg boiler.
Yep.
My name's Scarlett and this is Steve, my granddad.
Hello.
So we're going to show you how to repair this broken egg boiler. Okay. We're going to show you, we're going to check the fuse and see what's wrong.
Okay.
So let's get started.
Yeah. All right. So you need a screwdriver.
Yes.
Yes. And
this is my very first time doing this.
Oh, you know which screw.
This one.
Yeah. Do you want me to start it and then you can unscrew it?
I'm doing it.
Is it done? Yeah, keep going. Right, it should be out.
Should be. Is there anything wrong with it?
It looks good, doesn't it?
It looks alright, yeah.
That wire in there.
Yeah. So is that the thing that's going wrong?
I don't know. Is it in? I think it's okay.
Yeah, it's inside the bowl and stuff. I see the problem. There, that blue wire.
Yeah.
It's broke. That's the problem. That's why the egg boiler is not working.
I think we shall test it first.
This is a
multimeter.
This is the multimeter.
Yeah. And we're going to check for continuity.
And we're going to check for continuity.
Very good. 2 metal tips. We get a beep. Yep. So if we put, we put one probe on there, and then the other one on the end there.
It's like when you go and shopping, it kind of sounds like that.
It does a bit, yeah.
When you're scanning your food.
Yeah, it does. It sounds exactly like that. So if you press one onto that end of the plug, yeah, the other one onto that end of the plug. Make sure on the metal. No, this bit here.
That.
Yeah. So that's working. So although that wire is showing there, that's not the problem. So what I'll do is I'll just undo that.
Yeah. That beep is telling me that we need to go to the shops.
Just wait 1 minute and so I'll just undo that one a little bit.
Okay.
Wow, that's really tight.
Yeah, is it? Sometimes stuff can be like
that. No, that's fine. So next we check the fuse.
We check the fuse.
Exactly the same way as we just did that. One probe one end and one probe the other. And if we get a beep, we know it's good. So the fuse is good.
Yay.
So what are we going to do?
Check it.
Check what?
We're going to check every single bit of the wire.
Yep. So let's put these down before you poke yourself in the eye. So we're going to look.
Yeah.
Well, we'll put this back on.
Okay.
Can you screw that back on?
Is it this one? No. It isn't. No, it isn't.
Okay, that's tight enough. So we're going to concentrate on this bit now, aren't we?
Yes. Why is there a hole there?
To let the steam out.
Wow. We're going to take the lid off.
Yep.
Now we're going to take this bit off.
Yep.
And do you see that it's a bit rusty?
Yeah, it's because it's been used a lot because we like to do our boiled eggs on here because the eggs are from here are much better than the eggs out of a saucepan.
Well, the eggs, you know, another way to do boiled eggs is put them in there. That's the whole reason why that's there.
Yep, that's right. So this bit isn't broken.
Yeah. Or that bit.
put that over here.
We just need to try and fix this.
Yep.
Now, I think that we need the beepers.
We don't need the beepers.
But to test the van!
We're going to turn it upside down.
Oh,
did you hear that?
What? Something's loose.
Yeah, something's loose. Let's put it by the microphone.
That's it.
So there's something loose inside. So now we've got to get inside. What's in there?
Just that little pointy thing in there.
Let's have a look. I bet we've got to take that off, haven't we, to get in? So we need something to undo that nut. We need something to undo these screws.
Right. Screwdriver.
Yeah.
Special screwdriver?
No. Have a look at that. How many slots has it got? Let me zoom in.
1, 8. Guys,
see?
Tell us how many's there. 1. Let's count it together. 1, 2,
3. How many?
Now on the other side. 1, 2,
3. So how many's on that screwdriver end?
Only 1.
1. So we need a special screwdriver. And I don't think we've got that in the iFixit kit.
Oh dear. What's this one?
It's just a long bendy one. But if we have a look in this kit,
I think that there might be one in there. To open that way.
That's it.
There we are.
Can you see one with 3?
1, 2, 3.
That one.
1, 2, 3.
Let's see if it fits. These are really tight.
No. Does that work?
That one is too big.
That one's even bigger.
So is there a smaller one?
I'm not sure. This one?
Oh yeah.
Maybe let's try.
So pop it in there. That one is too small. See how it wobbles?
This one?
Let's try that one. If it'll come out. Try that one.
That's it really hard to come out. Is that good?
I think that's good. Then you need a special screwdriver. Yep.
There it is. Special screwdriver.
Ready?
I thought it was that way. This way.
Was you going the wrong way?
Yeah. Silly me. Thank you.
Okay. That doesn't get us very far, does it?
No.
That's just the bit that stops the flex from moving, doesn't it? So we need to get that bit off. So let's put that nice and safe with the screws. And then
Maybe we can put that there and the screws can go balancing on the red.
This one, this is a 7mm.
7 million meters.
Yeah, right.
7 million meters.
And then you got this. Okay.
I'm ready.
Push that bit onto there.
Thank you.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Then that goes down there. That's clicking, isn't it? So you've got to move that switch the other way. That's it. Now what you can do with this is magic. You put it on the nut,
Yeah.
you hold the nut there, and it'll click that way and it'll undo that way. Okay, go on then, you do that. Just go backwards and forwards, that's it. And now, take it off. Press that one. Lift off. Straight. That's it. Now you can do that with your fingers. Nearly. Oh, you're off. So that can go with the screws.
Magneto.
And now,
Yes.
if you lift that, it might lift off.
Really? I can barely do it.
Not too hard. You don't know if it's still on with somewhere else. So it might be on here, look. There you go, there you go.
Yeah.
Careful because of the wires.
Careful. So everybody look at all of that. Let's see if there's anything wrong.
So there was something rattling, wasn't there?
Yeah. Where's the rattling thing?
There.
That was the rattling thing. That was rattling inside.
So what is it?
I think it's a little bead.
Ah, a bead, eh?
Wonder how that got in there. Maybe the egg boiler's fixed.
I guess it broke off something somewhere. So if we have a look in here. Anyway, let's see now why. Oh, I think I know where it's from.
What?
I think I might need my glasses.
Glasses? Hi everyone.
We're back.
Yeah. Today we're going to fix this. And it is broke. So we're just going to use these very sharp tweezers. And we're just going to get some glue. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the end of this sharp thing. And then scrape it into there. And then we're just going to stick it onto there.
Let's just get that on the video. That's right there where you point with your tweezers. That's it. Right there.
Yeah.
And that's the button, isn't it, where you switch it on?
Yeah. That is how it's supposed to sit.
Yeah. So we're going to get some glue and do that. Okay.
So, let's go get some glue.
Okay, put the button there. Right, so, look. I'm going to squeeze this until there's a bubble of glue come out. Oh! Did you see it?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to tiny little bit there. And that there. See that?
Yeah. Cool.
So now...
Now we need to pick it up with the tweezers.
No, you can do it with your fingers. Okay, so now...
You just gotta be really careful because it is real glue.
Yeah. That's it, that's fine, it is on. So it's wobbly, but that is now on. So we'll just wait for that to go off now. Do you know what go off means? It means we're going to wait for it to set. So let's zoom out.
Bye everybody! See you next for our very first thing.
We've got to put it together yet and show it working, haven't we?
Now, I'm just going to go and do some modelling. And Steve here is going to come and get me when it's time, okay? So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye!
Right, so to put it back together, what are we going to do?
We're just going to do the same thing that was what we did earlier.
Yep. Backwards.
Yes, but backwards.
Hopefully.
Maybe we'll just give it a little try.
Because we've just put the button on, this thinks it's switched on now. So what we have to do is we plug it in and we just wait. Because if the light comes on straight away, we have to wait. Because it'll get very hot and then it'll switch itself off. So, plug it in. If the light comes on, it's fixed. You ready? So, do you think it's going to work or not?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. Ready to switch it on?
It works!
It works. So the light's on. So we'll wait for that to turn off. But when that gets very hot now. See what it does, there's water in there and it works. When all the water's gone, it gets too hot. That's when it switches off. So all the water's gone now. Right, so the light's now gone off.
Yes, now we can make our boiled eggs.
So let's have a look at your list.
So, we did fix boiler.
We fixed the egg boiler. So tick.
Fix egg boiler, tick. I ticked that.
Oh yeah. And now we've got to make eggs.
Make eggs!
So,
Now we're just going to go get the eggs. I'll be a minute.
remember that's still really, really hot.
We've got our eggs. I can't juggle with these because they will crack.
They will.
Yeah.
Before we start, you see on here you've got how many eggs you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. See? Can you see that?
Mhm.
And that's how much water we got to do. So if you want them soft boiled, we have to put it up to number 2. If you want them hard boiled, we have to put them up to number 2 on the other side. The very first thing we have to do, see that pin in the bottom there? You have to pop the eggs.
I like to do that.
We have to pop the very top.
Okay.
So it goes on there and then just push in. That's it.
Pop
And
it.
then it stands up with a hole
The hole on
at
the
the top.
bottom.
The top. Watch you don't burn because this will still be hot. In the top. Yep. Did it go in?
Yeah.
And then the other side here.
Right.
That's it. And then
We just need to put some water in and then the eggs are ready.
Then we fill this up to the number 2 because we got 2 eggs. So you just
Ready.
pour that onto the top there. That's a good noise. Told you it was hot. Pour all of it on before it boils away. Okay. Pop the lid on.
And soon our eggs will be ready.
Now push the button. That's it. Go.
The eggs are done. We're just going to let them cool down.
Yeah, so turn it off. That's it.
Ooh,
Woo.
that's a bit warm.
Woo. Steamy. I'll pop them here. Woo.
Runaway egg.
And then we'll pop the lid back on there so we don't burn ourselves. Brilliant. And we'll switch it off.
The eggs are ready.
So we're going to crack them open.
Yeah.
On here. Oh, on your video, look. Do it here. Keep going. Do it all round. This is how I do an egg, look.
No, let me do it.
Oh, okay. That's it. Now roll it. On the video. That's it. That's it. Now it should.
Squishy.
I think you rolled it a bit too hard, didn't you?
It's okay.
There we
At
go.
least we've still got a
Lovely.
yummy egg. I want to try it now. Can we try it in a bit?
Shall we get the shell off?
Bash it. Bash it. Bash it, bash it, bash it.
That's it. That's better.
Egg. Where's the other egg?
Still got some bits of shell on. Right now, just bite the top off and see what your yolk's like. Mmm,
These are delicious eggs.
they're perfect, aren't they?
If you ever want to try this, always give it a go.
Give it a go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
That one. Bye.
Bye.
Delicious. Well done.